It's April 25th. I'm here at the Mississippi River Valley Vineyard. Today I'm going to shoot thin, but before I can shoot thin, I've got to repair a wire. You can see these, let me turn this around. Mortons were planted a few days ago. Had to get on a waiting list a year for these. They're hard to propagate. Once they get going, they're a real hardy grape, real disease resistant, but I've got 3 rows of them here. I ran out of this low wire. You can see the way we do it, this low wire is a low tensile strength, and it doesn't matter 12 gauge, 14 gauge. All we're using this wire for is to hold these shelters down on the plants. If you look in there, you can probably see a little plant, but it's the rabbits eat these things off. Oh, I hate rabbits. Anyways, this protects them until they get up to this wire. Once they get to this wire, I'll tie a piece of twine up to the top wire, which I don't have on this one yet. That's next. And they'll climb up that wire to the top wire. We have to grow them about 6 feet in the air because the deer eat them from 2 feet to 4 feet. Rabbits eat them 2 feet down. Once we get up to 5, 6 feet, they're safe. I ran out of wire the other day, so picked this up at Farm and Homes, 14 gauge. And I've already spliced it down there. Now I'll just string it around here, pull it tight with my hand, and then these grapes would be all right. Like I say, the next thing here is I've got top wire on these. The rest of this vineyard is 1 year old. This is going on their 2nd year. And I'll get the top wire up over there, and then I'll go ahead and put my tees up here for my modified Munson trellis system. And I'll show you that here in a second on my block A, which is down here. These are 3 years, and I'm going to let them have grapes this year. I'll show you that in a little bit.